Hello guys, it's Late to appear in something really special to show you. Wait, it's right here. Just gonna take it out. That's one piece. Another piece. Guess what it is? Comment down below, pause the video, and comment down below what is it right now. Like right now. So, got another piece. Oh, sure, actually, I showed you it. You already know it. This piece and that piece. The main piece. This piece. Now, look at it. You know what it is? Yeah, it is. It's a fidget toy. I got it at Swami for $5. That's cheap. Others cost more expensive than I got at Swami. So this, I'll be right back. There we go. So here it is, right there. There's the piece. First, you're gonna need this bearing, so you can spin it around. That's the bearing. Now let's put it on. It's really hard to put it on though. Ow. So let's put it on. Right there. It's right there, the sticking. So now we're gonna take it off again because it's not sticking that good. Let's stick it out. There you go. Put it in. Now we're gonna put these in. I'm gonna put another one in. Like that. It's not working that good. Oh, I know. Just because. Now here's the other bearings, so let's place it on there. Now second bearing. Now third bearing. Wow. Now let's test it out. Song in one, 2.